Here we have a 2014 Volvo XC60, and airbag was blown, and here's the sensor that needs to be replaced every time airbag blows. Here, that pin sticking out indicates that it's blown. Here is a good one, so I'm gonna replace that. Here we have dash replaced and removed at this moment, but it can be done by removing these 4 10mm bolts and one underneath. So the column doesn't have to be pulled all the way. So as you can see here, I'm gonna replace now that sensor. Here it is, bad one. Here's a good one. And here, plugged in, new one. Now the plate. Here it is. Now 4 screws. Actually, I think it's 6. Here. Torque 25. Okay. All done. Steering column sensor on a XC60, S60, V70, XC70, S80s, all newer models.